Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best screen printing machines that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Kaido Screen Printer, a simple and beginner-friendly machine designed for DIY t-shirt projects. Its standout feature is the innovative hinge design, allowing the wood screen frame to hover for better precision and ease of use. This design makes it an excellent choice for beginners who want to get started with screen printing without a steep learning curve. The build quality of the Kaido screen printer is unique as it's constructed from durable wood, offering a lightweight yet sturdy structure. While other machines in its class use metal frames, the wood design is a fresh approach that ensures stability and reduces costs. The base groove design is another clever addition, ensuring your garments stay aligned during printing, which is crucial for high-quality results. However, this machine is limited to a one-color, one-station setup, which may not be ideal for multicolor designs or commercial use. It's best suited for hobbyists or those looking to experiment with screen printing on a budget. The lack of included screen frames is a drawback, but its ease of use and thoughtful design make it a great entry-level option. Pros include its beginner-friendly setup and affordability, while cons are its limited functionality and the fact that it doesn't come with screen frames. Next up at number 4, we have the EcoFour Screen Printing Kit, a comprehensive all-in-one package designed for those who want a complete setup right out of the box. This kit includes everything you need to get started: 3 screen printing frames, 6 vibrant ink colors, a 50-watt UV exposure lamp for curing, and even 15 A4 transparency films for creating your designs. The EcoFour kit is a fantastic option for beginners and professionals alike. The UV exposure lamp speeds up the emulsion curing process, making it easier to transfer your designs onto screens. The inclusion of multiple ink colors and various tools makes this kit highly versatile, allowing you to experiment with different designs and techniques. The build quality of the included frames and tools is decent, though not as robust as standalone machines in higher price ranges. This kit is ideal for those who want a turnkey solution and don't want to purchase additional accessories separately. However, it is not the most durable option, and the wooden frames may not withstand heavy, long-term use. Pros include its all-in-one convenience and wide range of included tools, while cons are its lower durability and the potential need to upgrade components as you progress. At number 3, we have the HTVRONT Auto Heat Press Machine, a modern, smart solution for those looking to take their heat transfer projects to the next level. This machine is packed with features, including an auto-adjusting press mechanism and an auto-release function that makes it incredibly user-friendly. It's perfect for sublimation, vinyl transfers, and other heat press techniques. The HTVRONT machine heats up quickly and evenly, reaching 320 degrees Fahrenheit in just 4 minutes. Its 15 x 15-inch pressing area is ideal for most t-shirt sizes, and the auto-release feature ensures you don't accidentally overheat your projects. The safety features, such as the drawer slide design and automatic shutoff, make it a reliable choice for home use, even around kids and pets. While this machine isn't a traditional screen printer, it's worth considering for its versatility and ease of use. It's best suited for those focusing on heat transfer projects rather than screen printing. Pros include its smart features, safety mechanisms, and fast heat-up time. Cons are its limited compatibility with traditional screen printing and its higher price point compared to simpler machines. Coming in at number 2, we have the Vever 4-color 2-station screen printing machine. This powerhouse is designed for more advanced users and small businesses, offering the ability to print multicolor designs with precision. Its standout feature is the 360 degrees rotatable arms, which make it incredibly easy to switch between colors and stations during the printing process. The build quality is excellent, with cold-rolled steel construction that ensures durability and stability. The dual-layer positioning palette minimizes alignment errors, making it a great choice for projects requiring high accuracy. while the machine is heavier at 53 pounds. Its robust design ensures it can handle frequent use without issues. This machine is ideal for those who want to scale up their screen printing capabilities. However, the higher price tag and the need for a more significant workspace might be drawbacks for beginners. Pros include its multicolor capability, durable construction, and precise alignment features. Cons are its steep learning curve and higher cost. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.